A storm can hit Canyon County fast. Wind tears at your roof. A tree comes down. Rain finds its way inside, and suddenly you're wondering who pays for it. Here's the short version. Your homeowner's policy usually covers sudden storm damage like wind, hail, and a tree through the roof. What it almost never covers is flooding from rising water. That takes a separate flood policy, and a lot of people find out the hard way. Once a storm hits, the clock is ticking. The faster water comes out, the less mold moves in. Noble Construction and Mitigation handles the whole job, from emergency cleanup to the final rebuild, and works straight with your insurance. One local team, no runaround.